Okay, to send your work privately to the teacher in Google Classroom, what you all will do, first of all, you will install Google Classroom from Play Store. After installation, always use your G Suite account. Now from another account I am showing, okay, and this will be the screen. As a picture you can see, that screen will not be there. The account beginning with your with the name of your first letter, that will come. Okay, so after installation you will get this kind of screen. Now you can see one plus sign is there. Just tap on it. Two options you will get: create class, join class. You will choose join class option, and a code you will have to give, that is the classroom code of the subject teacher who are giving to you, and it will be maximum, it will be within 6 to 7 letters. So I have created a class was there. I have simply, I want to join that class. I am now acting as a student, so I have given this class code, and now how I am entering, now you see. I'll have to click join. Now see, if this is the class, okay, demo XYZ of the teacher. Now I have joined this class demo XYZ, and how you will understand that I have joined. In people, it will show Bornali Banerjee. Bornali Banerjee. Now Bornali Banerjee is the student. Your name will come here too. Now, always try to send your work not through stream. Then it will be shared publicly. You will send your work through classwork section. Simply choose classwork section to send your work. Now, you see one question is given in the classwork section. What is the color of the sky? 5 points means it is the marks. Okay, it is allotted to that. And now see one option, if you scroll down, one option is there, add work, private comments, and add private comments, like that. So here in add work, you need to add your work which you want to send. Now you see how you will send your work. You can use any scanner for that, like Adobe Scanner or Tab Scanner. See, because you have to create a PDF. Always, if you take any image, also try to create it in PDF format to send it to Google Classroom. Now see this. Okay, it is saved. And now I am saving it. I am giving a name and saving it in PDF format with the name demo 1. I am clicking save, and I am saving it in PDF format, and it is being uploaded in Drive. Now save it in the Drive. Okay, like this. Save to Drive. Now I will choose the file from the Drive, like this. So this is the file from the Drive which I want to just insert there. I want to send there, send to my teacher. For this I will have to tap on the question, then I will choose, this is the comment section, there I will write my name, say XYZ, and I will write every information here. This is class comment. Again I am going back. Now I will choose add work. I will get the option drive. I will choose my drive, and there is the file, this demo file. It has opened. This one is still not opening, so demo 1, this one, select. After I select that, it will come over here, demo11.pdf. I will choose turn in. In some mobile phones it can be hand in also, handed in, hand in. You choose that option, turn in. One attachment will be submitted for what is the color of the sky. So turn in. This option I'll have to choose. So it will come work submitted. So now the teacher can see your work privately. This is the mode of sending your work privately. Thank you.